This white oak bench has been a delightful challenge, and it's taught me a lot. It stands here really nicely rigid after this trial fitting assembly. I never bothered to count the various mortise and tenon joints, but there are a lot, and it's really satisfying to see it all come together for the first time. There are a lot of through tenons. These are fastened with square pegs. Pegs will be epay, which provide a nice contrast, with the white oak. Here we are, disassembled in preparation for final sanding. Sanding down to 240 grit by hand. I never liked sanding. In fact, all my childhood woodworking projects, always lacked sanding, and that's probably why I never got good grades in 7th grade shop class. Sanding doesn't have to be boring. It's really an opportunity to look closely at the wood and kind of let yourself enter a state of active meditation, studying the grain, thinking about the tree that gave up these boards. I like to count the strokes when I'm sanding. I count 10 strokes before moving over to an overlapping area. This assures pretty consistent coverage, and 10 strokes seems to be all that it takes to get the surface cut down to whatever level of grit I'm using. Did you know that before sandpaper, craftsmen used shark skin to smooth wood for their finishing? Well, here it is. Sanding is complete. This is going to get a polyurethane finish on it, and I'm going to pre-finish all these boards and parts before the final assembly and the application of all the epay square pegs.